Hi, this is Mario from Spa World. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your aromatherapy canister. You can buy a replacement one at Spa Store, and when you do get it, it looks a little bit like this. Before installing the aromatherapy canister into your spa, you need to remove the clear plastic cap. So to do that, you just unscrew the blue cap, put that aside, and then the clear plastic cap comes off as well. Then you reinstall the blue cap, and now it's all ready to go into your aromatherapy canister. So to replace your aromatherapy canister, the first thing you should do is just unscrew the black cap anti-clockwise. Just put it aside, and just do the same with the old aromatherapy canister. And it should pop out like that. And then we reinstall the new aromatherapy canister. And just screw it in clockwise. And take the black cap and screw that in as well. So now if you turn it to the anti-clockwise position, it turns off, and to the clockwise position it turns on. Now please note that this only works with the air blower, but if you do have any more issues or questions about it, please contact your local dealer.